Bunrieu muanuoc noi, the flood season, a typical feature of the southwest region, not only brings prosperity to the fields, but is also the ideal time to enjoy rich, fresh dishes from the products of the flood season. Among them, the crab vermicelli dish combined with sliced catfish cake, tofu and squid is a perfect blend of traditional flavors and fresh ingredients from the fields and rivers of this season. Have you ever imagined sitting in the middle of a flood season afternoon, surrounded by vast fields of water, holding a bowl of hot crab vermicelli, filled with fragrant crab soup, sweet and chewy sliced catfish cake, crispy squid and smooth pieces of fatty tofu? This dish not only brings a familiar flavor but also makes your heart full of emotions, as if embracing the entire flood season in a bowl of vermicelli.
Ingredients: 600 grams of cleaned and drained field crabs, scooped out the crab fat into a bowl, 300 grams of sliced catfish, 1 dried squid, 2 pieces of soft tofu cut into small squares, 100 grams of pork blood cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 tomatoes cut into wedges, 3 stalks of chopped green onions, chopped onion heads, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 lemons split into 4 pieces, 2 sliced chili peppers, 300 grams of thinly sliced banana blossoms, shredded water spinach, bean sprouts and some herbs, washed and drained, 400 grams of fresh vermicelli boiled in boiling water, scooped out into a basket, olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
How to make: tear the squid into bite-sized pieces, cut the tofu into squares, fry over low heat until both sides are golden brown. Mix the sliced catfish cake with a little pepper, fish sauce, and chopped green onions, then use a spoon to spread the fish cake evenly to absorb the flavor. Then cut into 4 round pieces and fry over low heat until both sides are golden brown, fold out to cool, and cut into bite-sized pieces. The ground or pounded field crab is filtered to get the juice. Discard the crab residue. Simmer the crab water with the blood and squid until the crab solidifies into a tofu that floats to the top, then add the tomatoes. After about 2 minutes, add the fish cake and tofu to the pot of broth. Finally, season to taste and turn off the stove.
Enjoy! Put the mixture of banana blossom, shredded water spinach, bean sprouts, and fresh vermicelli into a bowl, sift through the broth, and scoop into the bowl with the crab tofu, sliced catfish cake, squid, blood, and tofu. Sprinkle with green onions and herbs for a fragrant aroma. Oh, it's so great! Must eat right away. The flood season is not only a fertile time for the West, but also an opportunity to enjoy rustic dishes full of natural flavors. Crab vermicelli soup with grilled fish, tofu, and squid is the perfect combination of fresh ingredients from the countryside and the sea, bringing a unique culinary experience, allowing you to fully feel the beauty and flavor of the flood season. A bowl of hot crab vermicelli soup is not only about familiar ingredients, but also about the connection between people and nature, friends and family. Let's sit down, enjoy the flavorful crab vermicelli soup and listen to the story of the flood season, a beautiful and vibrant season. Wishing you and your loved ones warm and happy moments with this delicious dish. See you again in other culinary experiences.
Next, here are the pictures describing the order of making the dish.
Here we would like to end the description of how to make this dish. Goodbye and see you again at thanhtracooking next time.